43. Avoid loud noises. Keep your pets away from loud noises such as fireworks, machinery, vacuum cleaners, or construction sounds. These noises can be very scary for them and cause them to become stressed or anxious. If you can't avoid these noises altogether, then make sure to reduce their exposure as much as possible. Bring your cat or dog inside during a thunderstorm, for example, or keep them away from the windows during construction. If your pet is very scared of loud noises, then create a safe space for them where they can hide and feel secure, such as under a bed or in a closet. Make sure this space is away from the loud noise and that it is big enough for your pet to move around in comfortably. You can also put some of their favorite toys or treats in this space so that they associate it with positive things. If your pet is still very scared, then try to distract them with a calm voice and some gentle petting. If all else fails, you can always reach out to a veterinarian for help. They may be able to prescribe your pet with anti-anxiety medication to help them cope with the loud noises.